Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we're going to look at the big question: how do you actually do affiliate marketing when you have no results? Alright, now you're maybe just starting out, or you're already in it, but you're struggling and you have no results, and you're just like asking, Karol, how do I actually do affiliate marketing when I don't have anything to show these people? I don't have these big mansions and cars and all of that stuff, or big paychecks to show. How do I do that? Alright, so let's have a look at this big question. Alright, now first of all, we need to understand that people don't really care about you as much as they care about themselves. Alright, so what I mean by that is that they don't necessarily care whether it works for you or whether you have loads of money from it, as long as it's gonna benefit them. All right, they are more interested in how this product or service or whatever you're promoting is going to help them particularly. All right, so what do I mean by that? Is that people like to connect with other people. All right, it's more about that connection. So if they see that you are transparent, that you are likable person, they will start to like you and buy from you. And with regards to these big mansions and big results, the supercars and the big paychecks and all that stuff, most of the time when you see these ads or videos or whatever, they are really really interesting, really enticing and all of that, but most of the times these cars or mansions, it's not even theirs. You see these marketers showing off, but most of the times it's either rented or it's just not theirs, it's just for that particular video. Okay, so don't let that idea stop you from beginning, because I tell you this, most people, especially when they are starting out, these big marketers, the ones who are millionaires and all that stuff, they are too far away for people who are just starting out. All right, they are too ahead of them, and it's very difficult for them to connect with it. It's I know it from my own personal experience. When I was starting out, it was like, oh my god, he is so far away from me. It's just too big difference, too big gap for me to even get closer to that. So it's like people like to connect with somebody who is kind of like more available for them, if you know what I mean. So if you just a few steps ahead of these people, they are going to be more inclined to connect with you rather than with this huge marketer. All right, and now what I mean by that is that you can be ahead just by already starting out and going out and presenting yourself and your products. All right, if you do that, you're already ahead of many other people who don't even try. Okay, now good thing is that the way how do you actually do that is by giving value to people. All right, if you can teach people, if you can give them some valuable information, if you can enrich their lives, they will start connecting with you, and then they are going to like you and they will make the sale from you, they will make the purchase from you. So pretty much the first thing what I want to use our whiteboard over here is add value. That's the number one thing how you can start doing affiliate marketing without any results. All right, so add value. All right, that's the number one thing. You add value to people's life. You teach them something, and you might say, okay, I don't know anything. You know many things. All right, just by you following a certain course, all right, you're already ahead of many other people. So just teach them what you learned from that course, all right, or what you learned from yourself, or you might be watching some YouTube videos and you can just kind of like interpret it in your own unique way. All right, so add a value to people's lives and you will have results as well. Okay, they will start connecting with you, and that's the most important thing. Now the second thing that you can kind of like leverage is, or you need to do in order to be successful with affiliate marketing, and it doesn't necessarily need to be only when you have no results. this actually applies to pretty much anything, all right? You need to have a good product, all right? A product that teaches people, that is valuable, all right, has valuable content and actually works, all right? Now, having a product like this not only helps you to sell, all right, but it also helps you to promote, and you're more kind of like confident in order to in pretty much kind of like promoting this product. You're more proud of that product as well, you know. You're proud of that product that it works, you know. It worked for you, it worked for many other people, and you can be damn sure that it's going to work for this person who's going to buy from you if they are going to do the actions that they are asked to do. All right, so the number 2 thing is get a good product. It's very important to get a good product. All right, now there are many crappy products. I'm not gonna lie. There are many crappy products, but there are several good products, a lot of good products that you can actually leverage, get it, and pretty much sell and promote. Now, it always helps when you already have the product and you use it for yourself, okay? That always helps because it gives you that insight and you can be more confident that, okay, this is something that actually works, all right? It worked for me, all right? I learned quite something from this product. So I like this product, I'm gonna promote it, okay? It really helps if you have a good product. Like, for example, the product that I'm promoting is a good product. I've been through that product and I'm implementing the things that I learned from that product, all right? So that's something that you want to do as well. But there are many other, sorry about that, there are many other good products that you can use for your own good as well, all right? And the third thing that I want to mention is something called testimonials, all right? Let me just put it over here and we can talk about it. So testimonials. Now, what are actually these testimonials? Testimonial is pretty much kind of like a review or a feedback about the product from somebody who purchased this product, all right? Usually it's kind of like a video or some kind of like a message on social media, right? And most of the good products, they have these testimonials on either on the sales page or somewhere inside, and many of the times you can actually use them, all right? They are accessible. So the thing, obviously, you know, they will use or they will put the most of the time only the good ones, right? Only the good testimonials. So that's a really great thing for you to use and leverage for your particular product and your promotion techniques, all right? Use the testimonials, you know. You don't have to say, all right, I made that this and this and this, but you can say, look at Lucy, you know, or Frank or whatever, who started from zero and now in, I don't know, 3 months, 4 months, he is earning a full-time income from affiliate marketing, okay? So this is something to really, you know, think about and use as well in your affiliate marketing business, all right? So don't let the results that you have no results yet, you know, stop you from starting out, okay? There is plenty of other people who are or who you are ahead of, okay? And you can help them on their online journey, all right? So just keep that in mind, all right? That no results, no problem, okay? Now, guys, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want, you know, to learn more, if you are just, you know, unsure on how to actually do it or what is the actual, you know, conversion model that you need in order to create a profitable business that brings in consistent sales, okay? If you want that, if you want an A to Z blueprint on how to create that, how to create, you know, the valuable information, how to add value to these people, how to connect with people. If you want all of that, go ahead, grab my 4-day video series. It's completely free. You get full access to it, right? I go in great detail over there. I don't really have time in this short YouTube video to talk about that, all right? But over there, it's completely in detail, so you can go ahead, grab it for yourself, and you will get access to it, all right? So if you go for it, I will see you inside over there. If not, completely fine. I wish you a great week ahead, and I will see you in another video. Bye, guys.